equipment was designed to be robust, capable of performing in dusty environments, while also providing the necessary maneuverability. Introducing Argus Recycling Innovation, your go-to source for a diverse array of solutions in effortlessly separating pre-shredded wood, waste, and metal. Their Titan 950, a mighty heavy-duty double-shaft shredder, is designed to handle a wide range of materials including waste wood, commercial waste, construction debris, demolition waste, scrap metal, and cars. Engineered for tackling the most challenging tasks and heaviest loads, the Argus Titan 950 is equipped with a high-performance Volvo Penta diesel engine. This powerhouse ensures optimal efficiency throughout the shredding operation. Since 1972, Van Dam Drainage Liebherr, a German-Swiss multinational equipment manufacturer, produces high-quality products and services for mining transportation systems. They also have a diverse range of high-quality used machinery, including wheeled excavators and tower cranes, providing excellent value for your investment, such as their R976, which is extremely useful in sorting and processing secondary raw materials, leading to healthier and more productive crops. In addition, adequate drainage helps to prevent waterlogging, which can cause root or easy and safe operation. Ship-mounted excavators, which are used to remove silt from lakes, are another area of expertise for the business Liebherr. These excavators, which are frequently large track machines used on construction sites, do not float well. A rotating arm system that is positioned on the back of the ship can be used when operating offshore. These excavators are particularly helpful for collecting in shallow bodies of water, despite not being utilized frequently. Continuous miner quickly slices through rock walls and reduces solid stone to manageable dust and debris using a rope. Has been a family-operated company specializing in the installation of drainage systems in agricultural land. The company employs a large machine to route drainage piping, which is inserted into the ground using a front tool that cuts through the earth like a cookie cutter. The worker ensures that the tubing is successfully fed underground, while the machine effortlessly slices through the earth. This process allows for proper drainage in agricultural land, which is essential for maintaining healthy crops and preventing waterlogging and erosion. Proper drainage is crucial in agriculture because it allows for optimal crop growth and reduces the risk of waterlogging and erosion. When the soil is properly drained, nutrients and water can reach the roots of the plants more easily, leading to a switch between metric and imperial measurements and a 6.5-inch anti-glare display screen, ensuring optimal rot and other problems that can lead to reduced yields or even crop failure. Van Dam Drainage's expertise in installing drainage systems has made them a go-to choice for farmers and agricultural businesses in the area. Komatsu Mining specializes in manufacturing and providing mining equipment and services for a range of industries, including coal, potash, salt, platinum, and other bedded materials. Their longwall systems comprise a range of machines designed to collaboratively extract coal or other bedded materials from the long walls of a mine. This versatility allows for precise customization to meet the specific requirements of mining operations. Powerful and long-lasting, the Komatsu tunnels are prone to accumulating dirt and soot from exhaust fumes. Regular cleaning is essential. Rotating cutting head technology. It is among the most potent and resilient choices on our list. Renowned for their dedication to quality, Gomaco Corporation specializes in crafting machinery designed specifically for concrete paving. The complete concrete paving procedure is managed by this corporation, including pouring and leveling. They fill pre-built frames with hundreds of gallons of wet concrete, which is then machine smoothed. This system also incorporates intelligent steer controls to guarantee precise paving accuracy and streamline operations. Furthermore, the G+ system offers a host of user-friendly features, including multilingual support, the flexibility to visibility. The Road Zipper system stands as an innovative technology designed for managed lanes and construction purposes. This system employs a movable barrier to establish adaptable road configurations in real time, ensuring the creation of safe, dynamic highways. It relies on a barrier transfer machine, which raises barriers with ease, allowing for the swift reconfiguration of travel lanes while upholding a secure barrier between them. This enables a flexible and dynamic approach to highway management. The HBS Automotive High-Performance Snowblower developed by Bielhack is engineered typically on an annual basis, not only to preserve the structural integrity of the tunnel, but also to guarantee optimal visibility for drivers. Colas Suisse has pioneered an ingenious and environmentally conscious tunnel washing truck. This innovative vehicle employs water pressure in tandem with an array of specialized scrubbing brushes to effectively cleanse tunnel walls and ceilings of dirt and soot. Notably, it operates without the need for soap, marking it as an eco-friendly solution. The design of the truck bears a resemblance to an inverted car wash, featuring numerous arms terminating in rotating brushes, facilitating thorough and efficient cleaning operations. Zandhandel Vos BV is a company based in Goes, Netherlands that specializes in sand mining and dredging. They use their own dredgers and ships to transport sand to customers in the Netherlands and Belgium. Zandhandel Vos's sand is put to good use in various ways, like building recreational spots, nature reserves, and even bird islands. Sometimes, we also need to bring in extra sand, which could come from different places, to restore beaches. This helps counteract the effects of erosion caused by waves, currents, and tides, especially along the Oosterschelde and Westerschelde coasts. It's all part of keeping these areas safe and in balance. Even in the most challenging weather conditions, this snowblower can efficiently clear tracks in one pass, ensuring uninterrupted rail traffic and smooth operations.